We had this harness on me, and I had these two wires going up into the hat. I was holding it down with my body, and Rhea was pulling, trying to get it off my head.
This is what I love so much about filmmaking. It's that you can write this script and create this entire world where stuff that isn't normally physically possible in our world is suddenly possible in this world. So in that scene where the hat gets stuck to Matilda's dad's head, the crew had to figure out how to safely and practically make that happen. I'm guessing that glue was off the table because between his hair and his skin, that would have been a pain to remove later on. So through what I'm sure is a lot of trial and error, the crew came up with wires that I'm picturing to be like suspenders that just went past his shoulders and up into the hat. And I think that's genius. Because now there's not only no harm being done to Danny DeVito, the actor, but they're also cutting down on reset time in between takes. So if they were to use glue, they would have to first take the glue off, remove the old hat, put new glue on, put a new hat on, wait for that to dry. But now, because they have the wires, all they have to do is unclip the first hat, clip a second hat in, and now they're ready for the next take. And on top of that, because it's a practical effect, which means it happens on set live and not in post-production, the actors have a little bit more to play with, and we as the audience get a little more immersed in the story. And so what I love about this and filmmaking in general is that the most effective elements of your story are designed to not be seen at all. So if you saw The Wire, or if you're watching a period piece and there's a modern day mug in it, you're going to get distracted and you're going to get pulled out of the story. So the best compliment that you can give someone who works on something like this is to say that that played so well that you didn't even notice it.